XYZ, one system. YY, XYZZ, two systems. X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, XYZ, five system. Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4, Z5, Z6. Sixth system. What about XXX? Three XYZ system put together. Is it possible? What about Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4? Four XYZ system joined together. Is there a solution? Yes, there is. About two questions in my mind. Where is the answer? Among them is not only about woodworking. It's about geometry also, and practice, mind and hand working together. Half of the time, thinking the puns with the limited senses. Where is the clue?